Well, it's raining today. It's raining the next several days. Because that, of course, obviously water's coming in from the vehicle. But we have to have it open because, as you can hear in the background, lots of noise. So we're sucking up, cleaning things up, and then also Anthony's over there welding on the hinges to stick on the fiber to the plexiglass today. So we got that going for us. Now they're cleaning, they're putting, you can see the laser up there, and they're putting all those on. So Adrian's over here hammering out all the stuff in there so they can refill in all the concrete. So good fun times. Cheers.